What if I told you that today, you can build an entire YouTube editing videos to designing thumbnails almost every step of the process?
Welcome to AI Pulse, where technology is made simple.
In this video, I'll show you the exact AI workflow that lets creators build professional YouTube channels faster than ever. You'll see how every stage, from planning using the right AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a complete faceless YouTube channel using AI. From choosing a profitable niche and generating unlimited content ideas, faceless YouTube channels are growing faster than ever. They don't depend on expensive cameras or large teams. With AI tools, one creator can research right just a few years ago.
The foundation of every successful YouTube channel is choosing the right niche. AI can instantly analyze thousands of topics, compare search demand, competition.
Coming up with great video ideas is no longer the hardest part. Modern AI can generate hundreds of topics in seconds, helping you find content instead of guessing what might work.
Coming up with great video ideas is no longer the hardest part. Modern AI can generate hundreds of searchable, evergreen topics in seconds.
Instead of staring at a blank page, AI can generate a complete YouTube script in minutes. The key is giving clear instructions, then refining the output to match your own style, making every video feel original and valuable.
A realistic voice can completely transform your content. Modern AI now delivers natural pacing, emotion, and clarity that sounds almost distinguishable from a professional voice actor.
Let's check the analytics. I'm really blown away by all your support. We reached this milestone together. So thank you all so much for watching.
Thanks for watching AI Pulse. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video. See you in the next one.